I knew it, another box of hits. Hi there, my name is Brandon Cross, and today we're gonna be doing some September sneak peeks of Glam bag and Boxycharm. If you don't want any spoilers, skip this video. First, let's start off with the Glam bag. Let's see what we got inside for this month. And let's see all the goodies that we have in here. First and foremost, we get the bag, which I know a lot of you get just for the bag. It's cute, it's chic, put your outfit together. First up, it looks like we have the Shades by Shan setting spray. It's a good mist. She's strong. This is perfect because it's small, scent-free, makes my skin feel moisturized, so I'm not gonna have no dry skin any part of the year. Next up, we have the Ole Henriksen Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer. Again, we love how small this is because you're not gonna catch us with dry skin anywhere, but the best part is that you have this for on the go because even when reapplying, making sure that you have a strengthened and moisturized base is the most important part. Next up, we have the Shayna B Miami Liquid Highlighter. I mean, if I'm thinking Miami, I'm thinking glow, and I'm thinking summer, and this is exactly it. Look at that texture. That could be used on the face, and I can use this on my body. Come on, décolletage. Next up, we've got an eyeshadow palette from Pink Lips, but don't be fooled, this is an eyeshadow palette for the eyes. Come on, nudes. I like summer because we get to wear a lot of bright colors, but I also love fall, and that's why this palette's really exciting. You've got your dark shades, you've got a transition shade, and you have a highlight shade, and you got a few other blending ones all in this one palette. This is all you need. Hey, let's see, last product. It looks like we've got a fragrance. This is Juliet Has a Gun. Oh, it's a scent that I actually love and I already know. This is Ode to Dullness because dull huel. Finish me off with that delicious scent. It smells like a vacation in a bottle. After all the excitement with these goodies, I can't wait to see what's in my Boxycharm next, so let's get into it. I knew it, another box of hits. First up, we have the Kat Berkey Rose Hip Eye Serum. Eye cream should be the first in your routine because it's the best to prep your skin for makeup. Having your eyes be moisturized before makeup will make sure that it lasts all day long. And I clearly already have my makeup on, but eye cream hack, you can also use it to treat the skin on your lips. Next up, we have Ren Skincare, and it looks like it's the Everhydrate Marine Moisture Replenish Cream. I have a desert trip coming up, and with those dry heats, I need something like this because it looks like it's packed with freshwater microalgae and hyaluronic acid, so it's protecting as well as hydrating. This is the all-in-one that my skin needs after a hot, hot day. Next up, we've got a base product. This is from Perlice. This is their Sheer Glow Strawberry Vitamin C Tinted Moisturizer. Now this is exciting because instead of a foundation, these are more lighter in coverage and they're packed with skincare ingredients. Next up, we've got the Bootylicious Mineral Baked Blush from Il Makiage. Now I love a baked blush because it's packed with pigment and it's not shimmery. It actually has more of like that healthy glow to the skin, so it looks more like it's glowing from within. We've got a palette. This is from Alamar Cosmetics. We've got the Viva Las Chicas palette, which is such a cute name for a cheek palette. This is in the shade Dark Rich. In the palette, you've got a cream base. We also have a bright pink blush powder and a shimmering highlighter. And I mean, come on, these swatches speak for themselves. Beautiful, beautiful, and pigmented. I hope that you all have enjoyed this Boxycharm sneak peek for September. This assortment is going to carry you from summer into the fall and continuously be glowing, okay? You have everything you could possibly need to keep the fun going. What was your favorite product from these spoilers? Let me know in the comments down below. We'll see you next time.